How to fix Android keyboard letters not typing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can fix an Android keyboard letters not typing. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. So the most simple fix for this is a simple restart. For that, press the volume up and the power button together and you'll find the restart option. Tap on restart and the restart can fix temporary glitches and refresh the system. If that does it, great. If it does not, you can head over to your settings. So after you're on your settings, you can then scroll down. There you'll find system. Tap on system, and on your system you will find system updates. Tap on system updates and check if you have an update available. Tap on check for update and check for update, and if you have an update available, update your entire software and the update should fix the problem as well. Now what you can do is change the keyboard mode. Some phones have different keyboard views like one-handed mode and many more. So what you can do is go to your keyboard settings, go to keyboard from here and check what type of keyboard that you have. So make sure that you have the most default keyboard. For this it's basically Gboard. You can tap on the Gboard and here you can just check out all the themes, all the basic default settings that is enabled, and after you do that you can then head back, and if you're using some other keyboard, if it's turned on, make sure you turn it off and then turn it back on again, which will cause you to restart your device. So do that and check. You can also switch your keyboard. We can select any other keyboard and that will again ask for a reboot. So just do that and check if doing that fixes your problem. If it does not, you might just need to clear out your screen. There might be some issue with the touch screen itself. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.